Good morning. This is Madanachari, contract lecturer in English, working at GPW, Jogipet. Today's topic is letter writing. Today's topic is letter writing. Okay, then why do we write letter? Then why do we write a letter? The main aim of the writing letter is to exchange or share our views with our acquaintances. Our acquaintances. When we are far away from them. When we are far away from them. Of course, but nowadays we are not writing the letters. Why? Because the technology has developed so that most of the exchanges of our feelings through the mobiles, okay, so that we are not depending on writing letters. Okay, so today we are going to discuss letter writing. From this letter writing, informal letters. Informal means what? Means mostly the language which we are using is not formal. The language which we are not using is not formal. Means, for example, while we are writing a letter to the principal, at the time we should use proper words to express our feelings. But while we are writing a letter to your friend, you may not use the words which we have used in the letter of principal. So mostly the language is different from the formal letters which we are using in the informal letters. Okay, then we have an information, we should go through it. There are also known as personal letters. Means we may call informal letters as personal letters. Means personal means, okay, here we have an information usually written to family, friends, relatives, neighbors or acquaintances, means which we familiar. Means here personal letters means the letter which we write to our parents, our brothers and sisters, our friends, our relatives, our neighbors or acquaintances. These type of letters comes under the part of informal letters. These letters may or may not have concrete reason of writing. Means here we don't have a subject. While we are writing these letters, we do not maintain the subject properly. Why? Because we are moving to different aspects to explain. Okay, so that here we don't have maintain a concrete reason. They may be written just to share an experiences, inquire about someone's, how about updating someone with a general incidents. Means here already we discussed, here we don't have a concrete reason to write a personal letter. Means it may be, sometimes it may be for the time pass also. Why? Because if you want to discuss anything with your brother or with your sister, with your friend, you may write the letter. But while we are writing the formal letter, we should maintain, we should have a concrete reason to write that letter. Why? Because these letters may be treated as the official letters. So we should be careful about while we are writing the formal letters, but not in informal letters. Why? Because these are all the personal letters. Okay, in these letters we cover personal letters, family, letters to relatives, love letters, and letters to elderly people, and social letters, letters to friend, social invitations, congratulatory or apology letters. Okay, this kind of letters we are writing in the informal letters. Letters, sometimes letters of condolence, sympathy, thank you letters. Okay, simply we think we should remind informal letters are completely personal letters. Personal means which we write to friends, parents, relatives, acquaintances. These are the main things while we are writing informal letters. Okay, here we have an information how to write a personal letter. How to write a personal letter. In personal letter we should maintain a few parts. They are heading, the salutation, the body of the letter, and the complimentary close, and subscription. These parts we should maintain while we are writing the informal or personal letters. Means, okay, detail we discuss. The heading, it comes top right side corner. It comes top right side corner. Here we write address, means place and date. Here we write place and date. Okay, under the part of heading we write date and place. Okay, then salutation. In salutation, to whom we are going to write, we should mention. For example, dear friend, dear brother, dear sister, dear mother, dear father, dear uncle, dear aunt, dear nephew, dear niece. Okay, like this we are going to write in the part of salutation. Okay, here where should we write the salutation? The salutation placed at the left hand margin is rather friendly and informal. We do use comma here, dear. Okay, like this, dear Ramu, dear Ravi, dear uncle, dear brother, and after that we should use the punctuation mark, comma. Okay, this is a salutation. And the next part of the letter is the body. Okay, may consist of one or more paragraphs dealing with the personal topics. Okay, in the body of the letter we are going to write in 2 or 3 paragraphs, or sometimes it may be 1 paragraph also. Okay, of course not more than 3-4 paragraphs. Okay, but we should maintain at least 2 paragraphs. Okay, then complementary close means while we are concluding the letter, the things which we use at the end of the letter, rest in the next, convey my recordings, all the best. Okay, I'll see in the next letter. Okay, like this we are going to write in the complementary clause. And the last one is subscription. Subscription means is written below the complementary clause, yours lovingly, means written by whom, written by whom. Here we are mentioning yours lovingly, yours affectionately, yours. Okay, like this we are going to write under the part of the subscription. Here we have a salutation and subscription for personal letters. Parents, dear father, dear mother, or dear okay. Subscription, yours affectionately, yours lovingly. Next, dear brother, dear sister, affectionately brother, affectionately sisters. Yours affectionately brother and affectionately sister. Relatives, dear uncle, dear aunt. Then yours lovingly niece or yours lovingly nephew. Friends, dear Ramu, dear Ravi. Okay, like this. And yours lovingly friend, yours bosom friend, yours closely friend. Okay, like this we are going to write this. Then introduction. Okay, while we are writing the first paragraph, we may write like it's a great to hear from you. Many thanks for your email letter. Sorry, it's taken me a long to return back. Okay, like this we can use phrases to start the letter and ending complimentary clauses. Thanks for all. Now, looking forward to hear from you. Okay, hope to hear from you soon. Okay, like this we are going to use this kind of phrases or sentences while we are concluding the complimentary clauses. Okay, this parts. Here we have a letter. Okay, top right side corner we have written place and date, and after that we have written salutation, means written by whom, to whom we are going to write, dear brother, dear uncle, dear sister, dear Ramu, dear friend, and after that body of the letter, then concluding or complimentary clause, and after that we have to write subscription. Okay, these are the parts we should maintain while we are writing a personal letter. Okay, this is about the personal letters. Okay, the main difference while we are writing the personal and impersonal letters. Okay, in impersonal letter, after heading, after date and place, we have to write the subject also, but here not. In personal letters we are not going to write this. Okay, thank you. This is the personal letters, means informal letters.